Okay, so go to your Play Store and search for Anti-Delete and then click on install. This shouldn't take long. It's about 2.41 megabytes, so it depends on how fast or how slow your internet connection is. After installation, click on open and you'll be asked to turn on the service to see messages here after being deleted. So I'm going to enable my notification and click on allow, and then I'm going to enable anti-delete and click on allow. Okay, so one of the disadvantages of this app is that it contains ads. So I was going to enable my notification when this ad popped up. I'm going to close it now and enable my notification. Okay, so it's showing here that I've enabled it. So I'm going to send a message from this phone to the other one, just a simple message, hi. Okay, there's a notification from Maria, hi. That's the message I sent. So I'm going to delete it from this phone. I'm going to click on delete for everyone. So it's showing here the message has been deleted. Now I'm going to click on my notification tab. I have a message from WhatsApp saying that the message has been deleted from Maria, and it's also showing a message from Anti-Delete saying that the message has been deleted, and this is the message, the sender, the message, and the time that it was sent. You can click on it and then you still get the same information, the sender, the time it was sent, and the message itself. So that's how to retrieve your message that was deleted from WhatsApp.